warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we'll explain induction and recursion, and then I will introduce about my team and me, Romi Asamananta, and my friend Muhammad Andre Windra. Okay, first I will explain about first the material presentation and well-founded induction, mathematic induction, strong induction, recursive definition, and structural induction. Well-founded relation. In ZFG, this is a coefficient and the property that R does not contain any infinite discrete chain. However, it may still contain infinite increasing chain. Note that in the general definition above, the relation R does not need to be transitive. A partial order relation is called well-founded if the corresponding still order A without the relation part is well-founded. Well-founded induction. Given a well-founded relation R on X and a property P of element of X, we want to show the P hot for all element. It suffices to show the following: if X to X and P Y is true for all Y such the Y or X, EA for all smaller Y, then Px must also be true. And why is that correct? If you negate the formula above, you call contraction and infinite dressing chain. This content is the well-foundedness. Special case mathematical induction. Here we have R, Fn, n plus 1, Gn 2, and well-founded on n. Principle of mathematical induction. To prove that Pn is true for all n to n, we complete that step. Basis step. So that P0 is true. In the intention of the formula for well-founded induction, this is the only case where there are no R smaller element Y. Induction step. So that Pk plus 1 is true for all K to n. To complete the induction step, we assume the induction hypothesis that Pk holds for all arbitrary integer k, and then under this assumption, so that Pk plus 1 must be true. Proving assumption formula by mathematical induction. So that the following property Pn that, look at this, the picture, is true for all n1. Basis step P1 true since 1 equal 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2. Look at this, the picture. Inductive step assumes that Pk is true, EA the induction hypothesis. Under this assumption we have, look at this, the picture. Guideline mathematical induction proof. Template of proof by mathematical induction. Express the statement that is to be proved in the form for all n more than b, Pn for a fixed integer b. 2. Write off the word basis step, then show that Pb is true, talking that the correct follow of b is used, the competence of the first of the proof. 3. Write off the word inductive step. 4. Step and clearly identify the induction hypothesis in the form assumption that Pk is true for n arbitrary fact integer K more than P. And 5 state what need to be proved under the assumption that inductive hypothesis is true, that is right of what P K plus 1 says, and then more than. Strong induction. Here we have R equal more the as well strictly more than ordering on n. To prove that Pn is true for all n0, complete 2 steps. Basis step, verify that the proportion P0 is true. Induction step, show the conditional statement P0, P1, P2, and Pk plus 1 hold for all integer K0.
Proof of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic using strong induction. So that if n is an integer 2, then n can be written as the product of primes. Solution: let Pn be the proposition that n can be written as a product of primes. Basis step: P2 is true since 2 itself is prime. Inductive step: the inductive hypothesis is that Pg is true for all integers g with 2 gk. To show that Pk plus 1 must be true under this assumption, 2 cases need to be considered. If k plus 1 is prime, then Pk plus 1 is trivially true. Otherwise, k plus 1 is composite and can be written as the product of two positive integers and a and b with 2ab less than k plus 1. By the inductive hypothesis, a and b can be written as the product of primes, and therefore k plus 1 can also be written as the product of those primes. Recursively define set and structure. Recursive definition of set has two parts. 1. The basis, step, specifics, and initial collection of elements. The recursive step gives the rule for forming new elements in the set from those already known to be in the set. Sometimes the recursive definition has an exclusion rule, which specifies that the set contains nothing other than those elements that specified in the basis step and generated by application of the rule in the recursive step. We will always assume that the exclusion rule holds, even if it is not explicitly mentioned. We will later develop a form in induction called structural induction to prove results about recursively defined sets. Recursively defined set and structure. Example: A subset of integer s basis step 3 element s. Recursive step: if x element s and y element s, then x plus y element s. Initially 3 is in s, then 3 plus 3 equals 6, then 3 plus 6 equals 9, etc. Well-formed formula in propositional logic. Define the set of well-formed formula in propositional logic involving Tf propositional variable and operator from the set. Basic step: Tf and s, where s is a propositional variable, are well-formed formula. Recursive step: if e and f are well-formed formula. Example: p or q if q and f is a well-formed formula, pq and is not a well-formed formula. Full binary trees. Definition: the set of full binary trees can be defined recursively by this step. Basic step: there is a full binary tree consisting of only a single vertex R. Recursive step: if T1 and T2 are disjoint full binary trees, there is a full binary tree denoted by T1.T2 consisting of a root R together with edge connecting the root to each of the roots of the left subtree T1 and the right subtree T2. Structural induction. Here we instead well-founded induction with a relation R defined as is used as a part in the recursive step of the construction of to prove a property of the elements of a recursively defined set. We use structural induction basis step so that the properly holds for all elements specified in the basis step of the recursive definition. Recursive step so that if the property is true for each of the parts used to construct new element in the recursive step of the definition, then the properly also holds for this new element. Function on full binary trees. Definition: the HT of a full binary tree T is defined recursively as follows. Look at that. And then definition: the number of vertices NT of a full binary tree T is defined recursively as follows. Structural induction on binary trees. Theory: if T is a full binary tree, then NT less than equal to HT plus 1 min 1. Proved by structural induction. Basis step: the result holds for a full binary tree consisting only of a root. NT equal 1 and HT equal 0. Hence NT equal 1 less than equal to 0 plus 1 min 1 equal 1. Recursive step: by induction hypothesis we assume NT1 less than equal to HT T1 plus 1 min 1 and also NT2 less than equal to HT2 plus 1 min 1 whenever T1 and T2 are full binary trees. This is our presentation about my team. If any mistake, I'm sorry, and thank you for your attention.